We are in Webb's Sunbridge community today, taking a look at the Stardom model. I hate to say this might be my new favorite, but it might be my new favorite. It can be configured as a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom home and has a 3-car garage. Let's go in and take a look. I'd love to hear what you think. So right in the front of the house is a great flex room space. This can be used as a home office or a reading area. You pick what you would like it to be. And there's the powder bath. And then as you come into this incredible great room, gathering room area, you can see this area is just massive. Plenty of room for everybody to lounge, watch TV, and take a look at this gourmet kitchen. The kitchen has, this particular one has an extended island, but imagine your friends here as somebody in the household is cooking or laying out a buffet for entertaining. And remember, this is a natural gas community, so all of your cooking appliances are going to be natural gas. There will also be a tankless gas hot water heater, so you'll always have hot water. This house also has the optional entertainment center that has a wine refrigerator, wine rack. It's a great place to set up a bar or your drinks when you're having folks over. And notice the huge soaring ceilings in this house that really add to the open feel and livability. The glass doors, now these are optional doors, but it does come with sliding doors that pass out onto the covered lanai. This house has the optional feature for the outdoor kitchen. Remember, with natural gas, you'll never have to fill a propane tank for when you're grilling. So off of the great room is this lovely master bedroom. It's light and bright with windows across the back of the house. And of course, it has a beautiful ensuite bath, dual sinks in the master. This house again has the super shower. There are options for a tub if you would prefer. And this tremendous walk-in closet off of the master bath with room for everything. You could even put an additional dresser in here, but it's got plenty of room, not only for your clothes, but for your tennis rackets or pickleball rackets, or even your golf clubs if you take them out of the car. There are also 2 other bedrooms and a bath, so you have plenty of room for guests. But I want to show you this. One of my very favorite things that Webb does is this drop zone area that's always located off of the garages as you enter. I'm talking space to drop your keys, your old shoes, anything that you want to drop out of the way when you come in. Even comes with a seat for additional storage.